Hi, hope you are doing great. So currently we are in our farm this morning, Shoelakes Farms, located here in Lagos State, Nigeria. And so quickly, let's talk about breeders' awareness about cost of feeding. I mean, catfish farmers' awareness about cost of feeding. As we all know that feeding takes, if not all, almost 80% of the capital invested in a catfish farming business. I mean, we farmers we spend more of our capital, more of our money on feeding fishes. And these archers, they announce here and there 5,000 fingerlings for sale, 10,000 juveniles for sale, 20,000, 50,000 standard post fingerlings for sale, forgetting to add the cost of feeding these seeds so as to prepare these farmers for what they are about to get themselves into. You as a novice in this business, you just feel just because these seeds come cheaper, these seeds are very cheaper fingerlings. You can see some of them as low as 20, 25 naira, 30 naira. You, without the right knowledge about this business, you just go ahead and go and stock these thousands of seeds in your farm just because they are cheaper. Then along the road you get stuck and you start feeding your fishes with different kind of things, different kinds of feed. You start feeding them just because you can't fund the cost of feeding. It's not good. You as a newbie in catfish farming, seek the right knowledge before going into this business. Try and make findings of the cost of feeding the exact amount of seeds you intend stocking in your farm. Don't stock just because the seeds are cheap. Some people stock their farm just because juveniles are very cheap, just because post fingerlings are just 25, 30 naira. They stock up their farms with thousands of seeds. Then along the road, they have no funds to continue, and they start looking for alternative feeds, and they go for all these supplementary feeds. For God's sake, they are supplementary feeds. They are not main feeds. They are just to support the fish. Due to lack of funds, so many farmers has turned supplementary feeds to the main feed for their fish, and they keep complaining that the fish are not growing. Why would they grow? They would not grow. So in conclusion, you as a newbie in this business, make sure you seek the right knowledge and make your proper research before venturing, before putting money in this business, so as not to lose your investment. So that's about that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, can you subscribe to our YouTube channel? If you're on Facebook, can you like our Facebook page? And if you're on Twitter, we're on Twitter as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day.